friends, welcome back to What Extent. My name is Pihika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to weather and nature. So let's get started. The first word is climate. Sentence: the tropical climate is hot and humid throughout the year. Synonyms: weather, atmosphere. Antonyms: indoor, artificial. The next word is forecast. Sentence: the weather forecast predicts rain for tomorrow. Synonyms: prediction, outlook. Antonyms: history, past. The next word is humid. Sentence: the air feels very humid before the thunderstorm. Synonyms: moist, damp. Antonyms: dry, arid. Next word is breeze. Synonyms: sentence: gentle breeze cooled us down on the hot day. Synonyms: wind, draft. Antonyms: stillness, calm. The next word is drizzle. Sentence: the light drizzle fell throughout the morning. Synonyms: sprinkle, mist. Antonyms: downpour, deluge. The next word is thunder. Sentence: loud thunder followed the lightning strike. Synonyms: rumble, roar. Antonyms: silence, quiet. The next word is frost. Sentence: the morning frost covered the grass and trees. Synonyms: ice, freeze. Antonyms: heat, warmth. The next word is gloomy. Sentence: the gloomy weather made everyone feel tired. Synonyms: dark, overcast. Antonyms: bright, sunny. The next word is season. Sentence: autumn is my favorite season of the year. Synonyms: period, time. Antonyms: contrast, unchanging. The next word is landscape. Sentence: the mountain landscape was breathtakingly beautiful. Synonyms: scenery, view. Antonyms: interior, indoor. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: climate. Your challenge: describe today's weather using words from this lesson. Also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Also try making sentences with these words and share the sentences in the comment. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.